So this video is for you to be able to compare and contrast mass number and average atomic mass. They both deal with elements and atoms, and they're both a way to describe an atom. What they describe about an atom is a little different. They both talk about mass, so to speak. One talks about a specific mass and one talks about an average. Okay, a mass number is the number of protons and neutrons for any specific atom. Fe56. Now, since this is iron, the atomic number of this element in this atom is 26, because I looked it up on the periodic table and then I saw that iron's atomic number is 26. Therefore, this atom has 30 neutrons. Now, it's got 30 neutrons because 56 minus 26 gives me 30. So this mass number really is describing the nucleus of an iron atom. It has 26 protons and 30 neutrons. Now I've drawn it like some of the neutrons and protons are behind this. It's like three-dimensional, so you wouldn't see them all because that's what the nucleus would be, like a little three-dimensional thing. So the mass number is very specific to a given atom. The reason you have a mass number is because you have different isotopes of a certain atom that have different masses. They have different numbers of neutrons. And it allows you to differentiate between these two atoms. Now, the average atomic mass comes in when you have a sample of an atom and you want to know how much that atom weighs, or how much its mass is, not weight. You need an average atomic mass, and it describes on average how much one atom weighs, because that incorporates how much of the different isotopes there are by their percent abundance, and it's the mass of that given isotope, and combines it into one averaged weighted mass, or weighted atomic average mass of the atom that you've got. So to compare and contrast them, they're both a mass. One is specific to the nucleus of one single atom, and one describes an average mass of a lot of atoms. They both have a formula that you can to calculate them. The formulas are different, but they both have one. They both are related to the periodic table. One can be found on the periodic table. The average atomic mass can be found on the periodic table. It is typically below the atom. All right, you can't really see it. There's cesium. It's right there. It's like 126 or something. That's the average atomic mass. It's not the mass number. You need to know a specific isotope of cesium to know its mass number. Now cesium, it's 132 is cesium's average atomic mass, 132.095. That means there are probably some cesium atoms that have a mass number around that number, like cesium 132, cesium 133. So the mass number is not something I really can tell exactly from the periodic table. I'd have to do a little guesswork and then do some checking. So that's how they are alike, and that's how they're different.